the organization, we're a manufacturing company. We manufacture signs. We've got 6 plants and 11 offices across the United States. So we're pretty spread out, but we're domestic. We employ approximately 600 employees at each location. And, to us, it's imperative that we keep communications open at all times. We stress no loss of production. So you guys play a key part in this organization of keeping that communications up and running. But also, and no lesser, is security, and the security that comes with your system. I think puts us above really even the front runners out there on the way we secure down the firewalls and the monitoring capability, and then you guys bringing in reporting. So it's a key to this organization and to my department that we maintain these. But to me, the most important thing that we've worked out is the reliability of the system. And when you're working 6 plants that talk to each other and everything else, one plant down affects other plants. Communications is paramount. And so you asked the question, how does Zero Outage help my organization? One, the reliability of the service, and we're up. And that's what we strive for, and we're up without only going down with scheduled downtime. But I mean, the reliability right now is solid, and it's solid across the board. There's more and more people going home and working out of their house or wherever that their location is, and so it puts more strain on my department, but also the network. So it puts something else in the mix of troubleshooting and getting things, and you guys are already there. You're always there, and the customer service is by far excellent. I deal with 101 vendors, and your customer service has been the top of the line. And so, and we deal with the big boys. We deal with AT&T, Comcast, and so on. And customer service is frustrating at best. And you guys, you've always been there for us. You really have. You're growing, which really, that to me is something that I hold dear. Only because I'm not looking for a partner that is status quo. I'm looking for a partner that is growing too, because of the ever-changing world that we live in. That we can improve our status, and you guys always approach us when you're looking at things or moving into a new direction. You guys always make sure that we're informed, that we can move forward with you if it makes sense. And so I appreciate that. And what I like best about Zero Outage services, we like the direction that you guys are going. You're always looking to better yourselves, but you make smart moves. The Sophos move and everything has been a big asset, I think, for you guys. One of the main reasons why we partner with you is your support team. They're always there. We get in trouble. I know we've had to call you, just a couple of times when things were happening, maybe with, some things that we, might not understand at first in the network that we're looking at. Is it under attack? Is it not? And you guys always jump in with us. And you've always worked through the problems, and done what we asked. When there's an emergency, you guys are there, and that to me is the way it should be always. And unfortunately, not every vendor it's always that way, but with you it is. And so I like that you guys look in the industry. You look to be an industry leader on reliability in your growth. The security levels that you're putting in, the geofencing, cloud-based reporting capabilities is all right there for us. that's where we're headed. And so with the help of you guys, I think that these have been assets to us, especially the geofencing. We've been able to shut down an outside attack, and so that to me is what it's all about. How would I rate your support team? Excellent. You got a great team. They know us very well. They work well with my guys, and that's all I can ask for. But you guys really know, and your stuff, and that's what it's all about. And I have to admit, in the past 2.5 years that I've been here, you guys really have made strides in your maturity. And so I think what you're doing and where you're going is very, very solid. And would I refer you guys? Well, of course. I see no reason for a company to not consider you or anything, because we've just had all this good service. The boxes are reliable. We've got backups now. We got redundancy now in the plants that we didn't have before I started. That was not on your end. It was on ours. So I think that we're pretty well set up right now. And yeah, I would highly recommend you guys.